Hello, my dear seniors, and welcome back to Senior Rise Again. How are you feeling today? I'd truly love for you to share a comment and let me know how your health journey is going. Your strength and your stories inspire me more than you know. I want to ask you something from the heart. Do you ever miss the old days, the laughter, the energy, or those warm family moments that still live in your memory? If those feelings touch your soul, please know you are not alone. Subscribe and join our family. Let's keep lifting each other up and growing stronger together. Now, let's talk about getting stronger. Why walking isn't enough. Have you ever felt frustrated because you seem to be doing everything right? You go for your daily walks, you eat your vegetables, but you still feel your strength slipping away. You aren't alone. It is a confusing reality for many of us over 60. We think staying active is enough, but the truth is, walking primarily maintains your heart, not your muscle mass. As we age, our bodies need a specific, louder signal to keep building strength. But don't worry, this isn't bad news. It's actually an opportunity. You don't need a gym membership to fix this. You just need to send the right message to your body using two simple, powerful movements. Movement 1, the wall press. The first key to reclaiming your power is the wall press. We often lose upper body strength so gradually that we don't notice it until opening a heavy door or lifting a grandkid becomes a struggle. This exercise changes that. By standing an arm's length from a wall and performing a controlled press, you are doing more than just working your arms. You are fighting gravity. As we age, we tend to hunch forward, compressing our lungs. This movement strengthens the back and opens the chest, helping you stand taller and breathe deeper. I remember a viewer named June, who was 71. She started doing this 3 times a week. Within a month, she wasn't just lifting groceries without pain. She told me she felt like she owned her upper body again. It's low impact, safe, and incredibly effective. Movement 2, the independence builder. The second movement is what I call the independence builder. It's the sit to stand. This might look simple, but it is the single most important movement for living on your own terms. It targets the massive muscles in your legs and glutes, the engines that allow you to walk, climb stairs, and catch yourself if you trip. To do it, find a sturdy chair. Try to stand up without using your hands. Then, and this is the secret, lower yourself back down slowly. Don't just drop into the seat, control it. That control builds massive stability. Linda, another wonderful lady in our community, used to have to push off her knees to get up. After 6 weeks of practicing this, she could stand up with her arms crossed across her chest, smiling. That isn't just exercise. That is regaining your dignity. Remember, my friends, muscle isn't just built during these movements. It's built when you rest and fuel your body. Make sure you are eating enough protein and drinking your water. And please, be patient with yourself. Don't compare your chapter 60 to someone's chapter 20. If you can move with a little more control today than you did yesterday, you are winning. You are not fragile. You are capable. Thank you so much for spending this time with me on Senior Rise Again. If this helped you, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Start today, even if it's just 1 repetition. You are worth it. See you in the next video.